Hi everyone, this is another project I have going on. This is a Tamiya Thundershot. It's actually in quite a good shape, so we only have to, it's quite dirty, so we take it apart and put it back together, clean it up. There are some parts are broken. As you can see here in the back, the rear bumper is broken, so we have to find that one. It's quite difficult, but hopefully the end of May there will be a re-release of the Terra Saucer, I think, which uses the same Thundershot frame. Also the wheels are, or the tires are completely dried up, so we have to find some replacements for that. I haven't looked in it yet, so I'm not sure if they are available or that we have to go with some other type. For the rest it's quite okay, only I have no sure what this is, but it's broken, so we have to either replace that or update it to some brushless version, which could be quite nice, I think. Yeah, for the rest we just have to clean it up, and there are some rusty parts, so we have to replace some screws. So please check back and if you're interested in the progress I make. Okay, thank you.